Shri Sanjay Singh has demanded discussion over increase in crimes in Delhi. Shri Sushmita Dev, Shri Tiruchi Shiva, Shri Raghav Chadda, Shri Santosh Kumar P. have sought discussion on alarming and continuing violence in the state of Manipur. Dr. John Britas, Shri A.A. Rahim, Professor Ram Gopal Yadav, and Shri Abdul Wahab have sought discussion over recent violence in Sambal, Uttar Pradesh. The notices from Shri G.C. Chandrasekhar, Shri Randeep Singh Surjewala, Dr. Syed Nasir Hussain, Shri Neeraj Dangi, Srimati Renuka Chaudhary, Shri Rajiv Shukla, Shri Pramod Tiwari, Shri Akhilesh Prasad Singh, and Srimati J.B. Mathur Isam have demanded constitution of JPC to investigate the alleged misconduct, including corruption, bribery, and financial irregularities of Adani Group in connivance with other authorities. Honorable members, as I have reiterated on several occasions, I thought it wise to bestow focused attention given the situation that we are entering the last quarter of the century of adoption of the Constitution of India. We had the great occasion to celebrate it yesterday. And therefore I emphasize that this House, the House of Elders, the upper house, the Council of States, needs to reflect and follow well-established traditions that a ruling of the chair requires deference and not cause of differences. I have in detail given out as to why in these situations the notices are not being accepted. As a matter of fact, I took the House in confidence in making the House aware that if you look at the journey of this House with reference to Rule 267, even for the last 30 years, where we have had various political dispensations in authority, in governance, the number was never beyond single digit. And the background every time reflected a consensual approach, a dialogue between the parties, keeping everything in mind, while not being able to lend my concurrence to these notices. I would appeal to the members of this House, this being a historic day, the very first day of the fourth quarter of the century of adoption of the Indian Constitution, let us raise the productivity bar. Let us generate an atmosphere that we exemplify by discussion, dialogue, deliberation, and adherence to rules. All these issues, honorable members, there will be occasion to raise in accordance with rules. Since there is a provision in the rules to raise these issues in one form or the other by motions that are provided, these notices are being declined. Please, nothing will go on record. Honorable members, take your seat. Nothing will go on record. Nothing will go on record. The House is adjourned to meet at 11:30 a.m. today.